Like when you get ready for the day, going like to dinners, going ready for school, or you could go on a hot date. Did you know that that's the best time for your singing? You probably didn't. That should have probably been a secret. But that's okay. Okay. The best singing happens when your body is surrounded by water. When you're in the shower, there's a lot of steam around you, and that makes your vocal cords expand, and then your vocal cords get a little wet because of the steam, and then it vibrates better, and then you sing better. I'm going to take you on a tour. It's like Cribs, the show on MTV that I wasn't allowed to watch that channel for a couple years. Here I am in my bathroom. Move the shower curtain. Close the door. Make sure to leave it a little bit open. This way, the steam can get out of the bathroom and you won't be too hot. Also, people can hear you sing! The next step is to undress. I know what you're looking for. Josh doesn't do that kind of stuff on his page, so you can just go to a different kind of page. Turn the hot handle 1 time. Now turn the cold handle 1 time. And then pull. Just right. Make sure to get those vocal cords wet. Think I'm funny when I tell the punchline wrong. Think I'm pretty without any makeup on. Yeah, I sound good. That's it for me today. Check back in next week for a new tip or two. Bye. Without music, life would be a mistake.